Good morning and happy Tuesday. Thank you for starting your day, spending a few minutes with me, starting your day with mindfulness. And as always, I welcome you to Mindful Mornings with Minnassa, and I am Minnassa, your resource for mindful living. So yesterday I forgot to tell you that in addition to all the other stuff I told you, that Sunday I was the lead minister for the month of March at the spiritual center where I used to serve, Open Heart Spiritual Center, and I will drop that link below so that if you'd like to see my message, you can follow the service. You can either watch the whole service or fast forward to when I began speaking. But it was a wonderful time, and I loved honoring again Jarena Lee, the first AME woman preacher, and again, as we step into this month, let the power of women and the power from last month, celebrating what African Americans brought to this country and world, encourage us and empower us to stop talking about it and be about it, and stop playing small and live the large life that we deserve. And so our inspirational reading today, hold up, let's just take a moment, a few minutes to be mindful. Let's be present in this place. I want you to join me for a breath in and out. And for a moment, bring your attention to your body. Your behind in your seat, your back at your chair, your feet on the ground. Bring your attention just up your body from your feet to your ankle, to your calves, to your knees, to your thighs, to your behind, to your core of your body, up to your shoulders, remembering to take in your fingers, your hands, your wrist, your lower arm, your elbow, back to your shoulders, your throat and the back of your neck, your head, and just being present in this moment where all is well, all is perfect, all is divine. Let us breathe in and out. And so today I am again reading from the Daily Word, which is a Unity publication. I'll put the link in for this. And I'm reading Dominion. I claim dominion and direct the course of my life. While I may not be able to control what happens in my life, I'm always free to determine how I will respond. Through my divine faculty of dominion, I decide what to think, what to say, and how to act. If the thought of fear or powerlessness arises, I remember all the wisdom, understanding, and strength of the divine are within me. Whether I'm organizing my day or moving forward after making a life-altering decision, the principle of dominion is always mine to claim. Knowing this, I move through life with quiet confidence. I am secure in myself, and in the knowledge I am a divine being. I claim dominion and feel my life expand into a field of limitless possibility and potential. And those are our affirmations for today. And honey child, maybe we need to make them for the month. Number 1, I am secure in myself and in the knowledge I am a divine being. And our number 2 affirmation, I claim dominion and feel my life expand into a field of limitless possibility and potential. It's that old song you say, you've got the power. Ha! All right, now, use that power, invest that power, expand that power, evolve that power, and take dominion in your life. You deserve the best. You are loved. You are mighty and you are awesome. And we are one. So all that is good in this planet is ours to use, to tap into, to expand, and to evolve. You say, well, what about the bad stuff? Well, there is no bad. That's our perception of it. But life is good and all is well. All right, have a beautiful day.